guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video, and it's a Grove collaborative haul. So I have been ordering from Grove for a couple of months now, maybe. This is my third order through them, and I am loving the service. I spoke a little bit about Grove Collaborative in one of my vlogs recently, and you guys seemed really interested in it. So I thought I would share a little haul with you guys. So I placed this order on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so it got here in 2 days, which I think is amazing. I popped open the box here, and the first thing I see is a little note here. It says that one of the items that I ordered will ship separately. Apparently it was out of stock when they sent my order, which I think is great. I would much rather them send the items that they have in stock and then send the missing items at a later time than have to wait for the entire order. So I don't know what's missing, but we will find out. The first thing in the box here is a little free gift that they sent. It's a mint and argan lip balm with hydrating chia seed oil. So I thought that was pretty exciting when I saw that they were offering that to me as a free gift. And then inside is some bubble wrap, which my kids love, of course, so I'm going to save that for them. And then the order. Everything that I have received from Grove has been packaged really well. I haven't had any problems with leaking or anything like that, so that's awesome. Like I said, this is my third order, so it's packed really nicely with all of this recyclable paper. And then we have the items. So these items I was actually able to get through a couple of credits that I had in my account. A couple of you guys saw my video where I talked about Grove and you placed an order using my link, and when you do that, you guys get $10 off your first order if you use my link, but then I also get $10, which I thought was really nice. So I was able to get all of these items thanks to you guys. So I just thought that I would share them with you and leave my link down below, so if any of you are interested in trying Grove, you can do that. So the first thing that I have here is a bottle of the 7th generation chlorine-free bleach. Just wanted to give that a try. I haven't tried any of the 7th generation products, so I picked up a few of those. It looks like the item that is missing is the 7th generation antibacterial spray. I think that's what it's called. It's like the disinfectant spray, that's what it's called. So that's missing and it'll arrive separately, but there's that. I also picked up the 7th generation dishwasher detergent. I prefer dishwasher detergent powder over the gel or liquid, so I thought that I would give this one a try. I also wanted to try out the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. I really like the idea of these more natural, kind of good, not necessarily good for you products, but less bad for you products. There's not a bunch of harsh chemicals or anything. My son Austin has been really into cleaning lately, and he likes using products, multi-purpose cleaners, spraying things down and wiping things, and I just like the idea of him using something that's, you know, a little bit more natural, less harsh. That's what I'm really loving about Grove right now. It's all of this stuff I just feel better about him using. And he's really excited about cleaning because of all the new products that are coming in to my life. So it's like a win-win. So yeah, I've been using the Clorox ones, or like, you know, the off-brand, like store-brand version of disinfecting wipes. So I just thought that I would try out the 7th generation ones. It's the lemongrass citrus scent. And like I said, I haven't tried any 7th generation products yet, but I will definitely let you guys know how those work out if you are interested. And the last thing in my order here is from Mrs. Meyer's. I've been obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's products recently. I want to try them all. And this was the next one on my sort of a list of things to try. This is the Vinegar Gel No Rinse Cleaner. I have the baking soda cream cleanser, and I really, really love that, so I wanted to try the vinegar gel as well. So that is in the lemon verbena scent, which I've said before, it's not my all-time favorite scent. Some of these Mrs. Meyer's products only come in this scent, or at least they're only available on Grove Collaborative in this scent, which is why I continue to get it, because the products have been really good. It's just not my all-time favorite scent. I know that Mrs. Meyer's just came out with a mint scent. Over the holidays they had peppermint, and now they have, like, I believe it's a permanent addition to their collection. It's just mint, and it's like a minty green color. Really want to try that one next, but definitely wanted to try out the vinegar gel cleanser. If you guys have this, Let me know what you use it for, because I'm excited to try it. But that is it for my little tiny Grove Collaborative haul. Like I said, there is one more product on its way. It'll just arrive separately, and that is that disinfectant spray, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, overall, Grove Collaborative has been a lot of fun to try out. A lot of these really great products that, you know, I've never used before. So Grove Collaborative is opening me up to a whole new world of cleaning products. I've been going a little bit crazy buying them, not gonna lie. I'm pretty much done now, I think, for a little while. But I just kind of wanted to try everything and see what I really liked. I did just film a clean with me video today, so provided that that footage all works out and everything is copacetic, I will be showing you guys a lot of the other Grove Collaborative products like available on Grove Collaborative that I've been really enjoying. Lots of Method products, lots of Mrs. Meyer's products. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that video. I'm gonna link my link for Grove Collaborative in the description box, so if you guys are interested in trying it out, like I said, if you sign up through my link, it's your first order, you can get $10 off your order. And I believe they also always have a promotion going on where you get like free products with an order. I'm not sure exactly what the details are, but it'll be right there on the site when you head on over there. So I know a couple of you have already taken advantage of the $10 off and have really enjoyed the products. So highly recommend that you do that if you're interested in trying out any of the products available on Grove Collaborative. Just interested in a more natural cleaning product. The prices are great compared to what you find these sort of products in store at. So I'm done rambling now. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!